GOL Villa by Boozhgan Studio in Lavasan, Iran. Villa GOL is located in Lavasan, a beautiful city near Tehran, capital of Iran. The design of the villa resembles a solid mass of stone that has been carefully carved out, forming a passageway that links the two open sides of the structure and defines the entrance on the northern side. The villa presents itself with two distinctive orientations. One side faces the exterior and the alley, offering a sense of privacy and intimacy, contrasting with the courtyard view where the stone volume has been aesthetically designed and sculpted. The project is mysterious and inviting from the outside, challenging the viewers to explore the space within while on the inside. This mystery would turn into clarity and openness. Each level of the villa serves a specific purpose. The ground floor accommodates the entrance lobby, parking, guest suite, access to the courtyard, and an outdoor swimming pool. The first floor hosts communal areas like the back of house, BOH, and front of house, FOH, kitchen, as well as the living room. The second floor is dedicated to private spaces, featuring bedrooms connected by a hallway with breathtaking views. The rooftop offers a pergola and barbecue area with panoramic views in all directions. Our primary focus throughout the project has been on delivering high-quality spaces with a unified and conceptual approach, ensuring that Villa GOL provides a distinctive and engaging experience for its residents.